Hi, so today we are going to learn one more feature. So, how can we make musical instruments play when you click on them? So, basically, we are going to learn today one new event. Till now, we have only learned the green flag event. So, when you click on green flag, how your program is going to play. But now, today, we are going to add so many musical instruments, and then when you click on them, you can make them play. So, basically, music and animation. So what your output will be, I'll show you here. I've made a sample video first. So click on green flag. Let's start with. Okay, so this is a sample video, and in this video, I'm going to tell you only adding one musical instrument. Then I want you to try and also share your link of the project in the chat box. So let's add, let's go to the library quickly, and we have music category. Go there. So let's add what do you like? Let's add the guitar. So we have three kind of. Let's add this only. And the size of the guitar is a little bit small, so let's make it a little bit bigger. You can make them little bit tilted also by using this direction pattern. So I'm just making it little bit tilted and add a beautiful background. So I want something music. So let's add this, and here it's going to rock. So when you see these music sprites are already having few things. First is costume. It has that costume, that playing of it, okay, and also sound. Sound it also has simple. You can make them faster. Okay, so we have like few sounds here already. So I have made them a little bit faster because it is in the previous one I have seen that it was working very slow. Now let's come here. So what we need to do, we need to simply go there. When green flag clicked, I want to fix its position. So I'll just go to motion, and there we have go to position. So you know that if I'm going to throw it here and when I click on green flag, it will come back onto its place. So that's why it is important. I always tell this thing. Now, when what I want, when I click on this, it started playing. So we have one event that is called clicking events. So what are events? Events are like when you are making some sequence of programming and you want some specific task to be done. So for that purpose, we can give these kind of events. So like you are pressing some key, you are clicking on some sprite. So in Scratch, we have events for every single sprite separately. So now I'm going to give, when I click on this sprite, it should keep start playing. So we can see that in sounds, there are so many sounds. So what we need to do, I need to change its costume also. So in when green flag clicked, I want it to be in the first costume, and then later next costume. Either you can use this only, otherwise you can use this next costume button also. Both way it will work. And now let's take the, we don't need a loop. Let's go to the sound and play sound. So here, start with this, duplicate, and you just adding, keep on adding the sounds like this only, D, E, E. Now I'll just duplicate this whole, after F, G, and A. After A, few sounds are also left, E and C2. Okay, we have the sound. Now I want it to move like a little bit shaky kind of. So when this sprite clicked, I want to do this. You just count how many sounds you have. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So I have 8 sound. I'll run this loop for 8 times and do this next costume. And I want to just move it a little bit. So what is your goal with this position? Minus 20 and minus 44. Okay, so this canvas is actually divided into, like, the screen size is 400 by 400. So left to right, it is always X position, and top to bottom, it is always Y position. So instead of this, I want to change only X position. So if I take it here, so see, the position is decreasing. If I take it there, it is increasing. So instead of this, I'll just do 0. Okay, stop. Go to control and take the wait for 0.5 second and again do the same. Duplicate. The next costume, go again to the same position, minus 20. So now if I do this, green flag clicked. I think we should do it 8. Let's run it. So this timing actually is not 0.5 was too fast, and 0. Was only 1 second is too slow. So let's try for zero point 0.8 or 0.7 maybe. I think that way it will work more fine. Yeah, it's good. Now this is one guitar. This is a slow kind of, and I'm going to tell you adding one more. So this is electrical guitar, and I'm going to place it here. The size is again small. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And so what I can do, I can just, when green flag clicked, I want to make it size also fixed. So set size to 100%, switch costume to this, and go to position also I'm giving it here. And I want, when this sprite is clicked, I want to change its size by 70. So now see, green flag, it's smaller, clicked, bigger. Okay, so we can change the size also like this. Let's make it 60, not 70, smaller. And I need to make its positioning. Okay, minus 35. I will just give minus 20. Minus 20. Now this. It's gone a little bit more far. Minus 45. Yeah. Now when I click on this, I'm going to add one new sound because there is again tin tin tin. So you want a like, good guitar sound. So you just search here guitar. So let's see. We are going to add this time this. And now what I can do, I can just duplicate the blocks. So there are two ways. Either I can just click on this block and I can do Control C, which is a shortcut, and I can do here Control V. The blocks will come automatically, and I can change its costume also. So if I click it, so see, it has changed its position because we have to give its position according to this. So I want to give it minus 53 and minus 45, minus 45, and also here minus 63 and minus 45. Let's see, click on. You can see how it is working, right? It's good. You want to do some little bit tilt also, so let's add a little bit this also, this, and I'll just give 8. left turn, and again 8, right turn. And then now let's, when this sprite is clicked, say change the size and play sound until done. This one. Now let's see. Click on this. Okay, so that was it. Now you want to move, like, make one sprite which is dancing. So let's see. We can add some dancing person as well. So whichever you think, let's take this only, and this is going to stay here. When this one sprite is going to click the purple guitar, it will start dancing. So I need to throw some message. So, like, how it will get to know that I have clicked on it. So I will pass some message. So that category called, this kind of event called broadcast message. So I'm going to broadcast message. Give it a name. Dance. Okay, stop. So dance. And now let's come here onto the ballerina. When green flag clicked, it's going to stay on this place. And when when it will receive this message, I want it to start dancing. So it will start dancing. So in the dance, what we need to do, we need to just switch the costume. So ballerina A, and I'm going to make next costume. Hold for a 0.5 second. And now you see. And in the end, I don't want it to stay in the air like this. So let's make it like this. Green flag clicked. Yes. So it is a little bit less. So what I can do, I can make it 14 times instead, and it is a little bit more. So I can make it 6 times. So that's it. In this way, you can add different kind of musical instruments and let them play. Just make your visionary thing and create something good and share your project with me. Let's start. This is very slow. So the basic music with the basic guitar, how we can do. Now let's, and if you want to make, like, applause sound else also, in the end when it will stop, hear this sound, you can add the applause sound. So there is, go there, and in voices we have, so we can add this. Once this sound is done, gold cheer. I show you how it will work. Okay, so that was it for today. In the next video, I'm going to come up with new animation. Thank you for sharing. Sorry, thank you for watching, and share this video with your friends so that they can also learn. Also, please like and subscribe. Thank you.